Hello friends, how are you once again? Today's video is about another review of multiple choice questions on refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal practice exams. Exam questions. So going right away to number 1. AC motor with the highest torque. A three-phase motor, B single-phase motor, C shaded pole motor, D capacitor-start motor. Correct answer is A, three-phase motor. Number 2, which of the following is a single-phase induction motor? A split-phase motor, B capacitor-start motor, C capacitor-start, capacitor-run motor, D permanent split capacitor PSC motor, shaded pole motor, or F, all of the above. Correct answer is F, all of the above. Number 3, blank is pound mass of water vapor per pound mass of dry air. A humidity ratio, B relative humidity, C absolute humidity, or D specific humidity. Correct answer is A, humidity ratio. Number 4, energy stored in capacitor is A magnetic field, B pressure field, C electric field, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C, electric field. Number 5, blank is pound mass of water vapor per pound mass of moist air. A specific humidity, B humidity ratio, C relative humidity, or D absolute humidity. Correct answer is A, specific humidity. Number 6, at the same relative humidity, warm air holds more blank than cold air. A pollutants, B ions, C moisture, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C, moisture. Number 7, full load torque will always be blank than starting torque of motor. A more, B lesser, C equal, or D random. Correct answer is B, lesser. Number 8, blank is the total amount of water vapor present in a given volume of air and does not take the temperature into consideration. A absolute humidity, B relative humidity, C specific humidity, or D humidity ratio. And the correct answer is A, absolute humidity. Number 9, motor starters are used to blank starting current. A increase, B eliminate, C reduce, D none of the above. Correct answer is C reduce. Number 10. Blank is the ratio of the amount of water vapor actually present in the air to the greatest amount possible at the same temperature. A. Relative humidity. B. Humidity ratio. C. Specific humidity. Or D. Absolute humidity. Correct answer is A. Relative humidity. Number 11. Capacitor motors are operated at different speeds. Is this statement A. True, B. False, C. Indeterminate, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is B. False. Number 12. Vacuum gauge measures in A. Microfarads, B. Microns, C. Millimeters, D. Microseconds. Correct answer is B. Microns. Number 13. In a propeller fan, if speed is unchanged, the horsepower requirement is increased when the area of discharge orifice is A. Decreased, B. Increased, C. Constant, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is A. Decreased. Number 14. In a wattmeter, the coil connected in series measures A. Voltage, B. Henry, C. Current, or D. Impedance. Correct answer is C. Current. And last but not the least, 15. Voltmeter has blank internal resistance. A. High, B. Low, C. 0, or D. None of the above? And the correct answer is A. High. Okay, that's it for this question. And I hope you learned something from this video. And I'll see you again in the next video. Cheers, have a good one, and happy reviewing. I hope you are successful in your Red Seal exam. Cheers, and have a good one. Need to charge my phone right now. It's at 6%. So take care and have a good one.